The HP L0H24A printer maintenance kit is an original fuser kit that helps keep compatible LaserJet Enterprise and Managed models running smoothly with consistent print quality. It is engineered for long service intervals, supporting very high page counts before replacement is needed, which is ideal for busy offices with heavy monochrome printing. Because it is a genuine Hewlett Packard component, it integrates cleanly with the printer firmware and hardware, reducing the chance of error messages or premature wear. Print output remains sharp and uniform across large print jobs, so text documents and detailed graphics stay clear from the first page to the last. Installation is straightforward for technicians or experienced users, and the included documentation makes the swap predictable and low risk for downtime. For organizations that rely on enterprise LaserJet devices, this maintenance kit offers a dependable way to extend printer life and maintain reliable performance over time.